Understanding BCC. When and how to use it. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to delve into the world of email writing, focusing on a particular feature that is often overlooked but incredibly useful, the BCC function. We'll explore what it is, why it's important, and most crucially, when it's appropriate to use. Let's dive in. BCC stands for Blind Carbon Copy. This feature allows you to send an email to multiple recipients without them knowing who else received the email. The BCC feature is quite similar to CC, carbon copy, but the crucial difference is that, with BCC, the email addresses of the recipients are hidden. Using BCC is important for a couple of reasons. First, it helps maintain the privacy of the recipients, ensuring their email addresses aren't shared with others. This is especially vital in business and professional communication. Secondly, BCC can be used to avoid clutter in emails when a message is sent to a large group of recipients. Now that we've covered what BCC is and why it's important, let's talk about when it's appropriate to use. Example 1. Privacy matters. Consider this scenario. You're sending an email about an upcoming event to multiple people who do not necessarily know each other. To protect everyone's privacy, you would put their email addresses in the BCC field. This way, you're sending the information to everyone without disclosing their email addresses to each other. Example 2. Avoiding unwanted reply all responses. Imagine you're sending a company-wide email, perhaps a newsletter or an announcement. If you use the to or CC fields, anyone who hits reply all could potentially spam everyone's inboxes. To avoid this, you could use the BCC field. This way, any replies will only come to you, the sender, not to everyone on the email. To use BCC in your emails, it's quite simple. In your email compose window, you'll see the to, CC, and BCC fields. Click on BCC, and enter the email addresses you want to send your email to. It's as easy as that. There we have it, folks. We've gone over the importance and appropriate usage of the BCC feature in email writing. Remember, it's not just about writing content, but also about respecting privacy and avoiding unnecessary email clutter. We hope this video was insightful and will help you in your future email communications. Keep practicing, and happy writing!